welcome to my first video since we moved into this new studio. This is a new garage, and today we're working on 2011 Chevy Equinox. Currently has a P0496. The EVAP Purge Solenoid is bad. I'll go ahead and show you on the scan tool what I found. So what we're looking for is this GM12690512. That's what it looks like right there. But we're going to take the engine cover off. This is a 10mm. Put this oil fill cap back on. Right, so I will pull this image up and put it on the screen. Alright, so if we look at this the way it is right here, it is positioned like this. Here you can see where the fuel line or the vapor line goes on, right there. And I think you can see there's a push tab. I believe you push that and then you pull the line and it comes right off. Really wish I could get a shot of that while I do it. You can see I've got it pushed down a little bit. Okay, there's the wire. And then, as we know, it's sitting in there like that. So we know there's a 10mm bolt just wanting to come out. You can see my hand here. I can feel the bolt and grab a ratchet. I'm going to remove this tube right here. It's just going to be an 8mm. I don't even have to undo that. Just an 8mm for this clamp here and the clamp back here. This just comes off. Okay, now I bet I can get a ratchet on there. Okay, got the bolt out. Alright, so this end was stuck into the intake. So you can see what we got here. Yeah, there's really not a lot to see here. It's pretty much all by feel. Alright, it's threading in. The one thing that's a little concerning is the electrical connector was broken, and I assume that happened when I did the spark plugs and I had to remove the intake. Alright, the bolt is back in place. Okay, that's on. put the intake tube back on. Alright, we'll hop back in and see if the code goes away. Alright, everything appears to be okay on the purge solenoid valve. Alright, so everything's showing okay here. Well, we can put the engine cover back on. Since everything looked like it was functioning properly, I went ahead and cleared the engine code. If this is still a problem, it'll come back. Well, hopefully this helped you with your P0496. So I know it was difficult to see what I was actually doing, but hopefully the illustrations helped with locating the actual part and getting it changed out. But if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more on that tool that I use, the diagnostic tool, let me know that as well. I'll have a link in the description below for that. But thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more content. I do have a speed sensor I'm going to change on this, as well as I'm getting a code for some pressure switches that's in the TCM. I don't know the code off the top of my head, but be watching for that video as well. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video.